What happens when two of the greatest minds of the 19th century meet? Beethoven met Goethe, and it did not go as planned. Beethoven was the fiery, deaf composer who redefined music with sheer will and raw emotion. Goethe was Germany's most celebrated writer and thinker, the author of Faust, and a revered voice of reason and refinement. Two friends, both legends but very different. In 1812, they met in the spa town of Teplitz. Both admired each other's work, but as people they were opposites. Beethoven was defiant and unfiltered. Goethe, though radical in ideas, still moved comfortably among nobility and tradition. One day, while walking together, a group of aristocrats approached. Goethe stepped aside and bowed. Beethoven, without hesitation, kept walking, hat on, eyes forward. Later, Beethoven said, "I've met emperors and kings, but I bow only to genius." Goethe was embarrassed. The encounter left a sour taste, and the friendship never developed. Two giants, one meeting, and one moment that perfectly captured who they really were.